Catch it on my smart board. This is A.
Let's say does it. I'm gonna call it A.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's a vector that starts at 1, 2 and goes to 3, 5. Ms. Tapia, do you see what I did?
Yes.
Okay, is that okay so far?
Yeah.
All right, so that's a vector, which means it has a magnitude and direction, right? Before we do that, though, what are its components? Can you tell me what the components are? Ms. Tapia?
No.
Okay, components are how far does it go left, right, and how far does it go up, down? What's its components?
1, 2.
Well, it's starting here at 1, 2 and going to 3, 5. This is its arrow.
Oh, okay.
So how far does it go left, right? That arrow go left, right?
2.
2. How far does it go up, down?
3.
So what are its components?
2, 3.
2 and 3. So if I wanted to write that as a sum of unit vectors, this is brand new language, sum of unit vectors. I would write this vector in the following way. I'd write it as 2i hat plus 3j hat. That's what sum of unit vector notation is. Are you okay with that, Ms. Tapia?
Yeah.
All right. Now, if I wanted to write it in ordered pair form, that means use the angle brackets. How would I write it?
I have no idea.
Okay, angle brackets. That's it. That's how you write using angle brackets. All right, Ms. Tapia, here we go. For the trivector, I want to write it in standard form. That means magnitude and direction. How can I figure out the magnitude or how long this vector is?
I don't know.
You can't figure out how long this vector is if one side's 2 and the other side's 3 for a triangle?
Pythagoras?
Yeah, Pythagoras. So a little 2 squared plus 3 squared equals c squared. I get 4 plus 9 equals c squared. I get 13 equals c squared, or c equals plus or minus root 13. It's how big it is, so that's just silly. So I'm just going to go ahead and write root 13 at, how do I find the angle or approximate the angle?
That I don't know how to figure out.
Well, if this is 0 degrees, all I need to do is do a little arctanning here, right? So tangent of theta equals 3 over 2. Theta equals the arctan of 3 over 2. Somebody got my calculator. 3 divided by 2, arctan, arc answer, and I get 56.3 degrees. And I'm done. So this is sum of unit vectors, vector form. This is called ordered pair. And this right here is called standard form. All right, Mr. Cassini, you there yet? Man, he bailed completely out. Doesn't think we know. All right, Miss Manship.
Yeah.
I have a vector we're going to call it u, and it's equal to 2, comma 3. What does that mean, Miss Manship?
That it goes 2 to the right and 3 up.
Beautiful. Perfect. Can't have said that better. Now, let's say I wanted to walk this vector 4 times. This vector u, I want to do it 4 times.
Okay.
What would it become?
8 and 12.
8, 12. How'd you get that?
I just multiply both by 4.
Yeah, because if you think about it, what we're doing is we're saying if this thing goes 2 to the left and up 3, and I do that 4 times, I'm just going a total of 8 this way and up 12. Now, we're going to write this kind of multiplication slightly differently. We're going to write it as 4 times 2, 3, which is 8, 12, as she said. Got it? Everybody got that? Yes, no? Should like make you turn your cameras on so I can see your faces, but I'm not going to do that just yet. All right, Ms. Mirzayan, on number 1 on the back, are those curved brackets or angle brackets?
Curved.
Curved. That means those are points. So I'm going to be careful when I see that because I'm not dealing with a vector. I'm dealing with a point. In this chapter, that means I'm going to give you 2 points. I'm going to say start the first one and go to the second one. So I'm just finding my vector that way. So the instructions say write an ordered pair for the vector a to b, then find the magnitude of AB, but not the direction, which is awful nice of them. So, Ms. Mirzayan, how am I going to do that? I've got a point at 2, 4. And I'm going to go to -1, 3. So my vector is going to start here and go this way. How am I going to write an ordered pair for my vector? Ms. Mirzayan?
You have to find the other values, like the I and the J value.
Right. So how am I going to find the I and J value? Going from 2, 4 to -1, 3.
You need to know the value of, like, the hypotenuse first.
Why? Why?
I don't know.
Well, I'm going from here to here, aren't I? How far is that in the XY direction?
Gosh, right. So then you're going in the X direction. That's 3 and then 1.
3 and then 1. I'm going to disagree with both of those, but only slightly. What have you forgotten?
Negative.
Yeah, we're going to the left and then we're going down, so both of those are negative. Okay? And how would I find the magnitude of this puppy?
You would have to find the tangent, or like the arctan.
No, I just want to find the magnitude, not the direction. Magnitude's how big?
Oh, so then that would be, is that 3 squared plus 1 squared equals, right? So it would be √10.
Done. Good?
Yeah.
All right, so all I did is I said, well, starting at point 1, how far do I have to go left, right? How far do I have to go up, down? Put those new numbers in there, and then squared, plus the middle. That gives me the magnitude of how big this vector would be. Are you okay with that, Mr. Mirzayan?
Yeah.
Are other people in the class okay with that?
Yep.
All right. How about do 2 and 3? Are you ready for it? I'm sticking you with it. You'll be like, oh no, not me. I didn't want to do that. It says find u, given that I'm trying to find 3v. 3 times, what's v?
Vector.
Yeah, vector v. What's vector v? Hint, read the instructions. What's v equal to? Mr. Manship. Mr. Manship. So he's called 911. He's falling down. Manship. All right. Well,
Yeah.
I mean, yeah. What's vector v?
For number 4,
Yeah.
3v.
Well, it is 3v I'm looking for. What is v?
1/3.
No. Take a look over there at the instructions. You'll find v in any minute now. You have the paper in front of you.
2, -1.
So what's vector u equal to?
6, -3.
That's true. Or with that in mind, we try number 5.
Wait, me again?
Everybody. Gonna try number 5.
You mean number 5?
Number 5. What
Okay,
vector u
so
is?
I got -7, 3.
Oh, you're jumping ahead of me. Hold on. I'm gonna catch up to you.
Oh, okay.
You're going fast. That's good. That means you're on it. W is -3, 5. Minus 2 times what's v? V is
That'd be 4, -2.
2, -1. We'll fix that in just a second. Yeah, I'm with you.
Okay.
So -3, 5. What did you do with this -2 out front?
I distributed it.
Distributed it, which gives you -4, 2. Or did you just distribute?
Wait, hold on.
Hold on.
Hold on. And it'd be -7, 7.
Yes.
Okay, I for some reason read the 5 as a negative. I don't know why.
I do. I should check mine. No, I'm good. All right. Happy Trails can do that. All right. Since you guys have been good to me today. Oh, wait. Let's do 8. Let's skip down to 8. Let's skip down to 8. 8 for us?
Kind of. What's the sum?
Sum of unit vectors means I just write it like this.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Then you,
How do I find the magnitude? How big it is?
you do 2 squared plus 6 squared. And then that's 40, or the square root of 40.
Which I'm not going to leave like that, am I?
No. I got 2 root 10.
2 root 10 is correct. Good job. Whoops, that's the magnitude. This is the sum of unit vectors.